friends, I am Koustav. Welcome back to Koustav Activities. Today I am going to make 3 ideas of Rakhi for Rakshabandhan. Idea number 1. I am bringing the ingredients of. So these are the ingredients. A dark green paper, a smiley emoji sticker, a golden chain, a yellow paper, a ribbon, and a garter of pearls. Now I will stick this smiley face in the center. Now I will glue this yellow paper. Now I will stick this ribbon. Now I will stick this green. Now I will glue the outer layer. Now I will stick this yellow chain. So I have stick the golden chain. Now I will stick this garter of pearls. So this is one Rakhi. Now number 2. These are the ingredients: a blue ribbon, glue, a short yellow paper and some flowers made of cloth. First I will glue this yellow paper. Now I will stick this ribbon. Now I will stick this paper. So this is, now I will take the odd one. Taking the odd flower from the all, gluing it and stick in the middle. Then I will take this blue. So I have completed number 2 Rakhi. Now number 3 Rakhi. Now these are the ingredients: a ribbon, a large circle of yellow paper, a small, a tattoo, a pears of a garden and some open golden pears. Now first I will glue this short yellow paper. Now I will stick this ribbon. Now I will give some glue and stick this big yellow. Now I will stick this one. Now in the center of the Rakhi I stick it. Now I am going to stick this. Here first I will glue. Now sticking this garter of pears. Now sticking this golden pears. So this is the last Rakhi. So this is number 1 Rakhi. Second number Rakhi, and this is the third Rakhi. So with 3 ideas I made 3 Rakhis. Thank you.